Yan guys, congee. Lugaw ang aming dinner. Ganito ang lugaw ng Taiwan. Puti lang siya. Then, meron tayong black egg, salted egg, tapos yung sweet tofu, and then sausage and dried meat, also with seaweeds. Yan. Yan po ang halo ng ating dinner congee. Yeah, delicious. Yan. Rosso, dried meat guys, plain lang. This is plain. And then this one is with seaweeds.